You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to add your Outlook email to the Mail app on your iPhone. If you want everything organized in one place, it's a pretty simple setup. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on Mail. From there, go to Accounts and select Add Account. You'll see a list of common email providers. Tap on Outlook.com. After that, just enter your Outlook email address and tap Next to continue. Once you enter your password, you'll be asked to sign in and confirm. After you're logged in, the iPhone will give you options for what you want to sync. You can choose to sync your mail, contacts, calendars, and reminders, depending on what you prefer. When you're happy with the settings, tap Save. Now just open the Mail app and you'll see your Outlook emails ready to go. You can send, receive, and manage your Outlook messages right alongside any other accounts you already have set up. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Foxtecc for more easy iPhone tutorials. See you later.